Hyperlinks are a really effective way of just having a clickable piece of text to take a student to another web page. So I've decided I'm going to add a hyperlink into my introduction slide. So I'm on the case that I want to edit, which is my video demo case, and I've clicked Nodes on the left hand side and opened up this page here. So I'm going to go to introduction slide and click edit. I need to scroll to the top to where my node content is, which is here. And what I need to do is decide where I'm going to put the link. So for example, where it says resources available, I can delete resource 1. And what I'm going to do is insert my hyperlink. So what I need to do is click insert, insert link. And what it does is it says type in the URL here and then the text you want to display. So for example, if I'm going to send them to Google, I can type in Google here. And text to display, I might decide to write search engine. I then click OK. It says it's an external link. Do I want to add the prefix? Yeah, that's fine. And it's appeared here. Now, it doesn't always change the color of your hyperlink, and sometimes it's a good idea to have it as a different color so it's more obvious to the students they need to click it. So I'm going to choose a blue color, which is quite common for hyperlinks, and that should be fine. So I now need to go to the bottom of the page and click Save. And then to see what that looks like, if I now play my Labyrinth case, if I scroll down, you can now see it says search engine, and it's actually a clickable link that I can open that takes me to any page.